I think a couple of things make this organization a little unique. I can also talk from my personal experience because what I see when I compare it with the other organizations that I worked for, there are two things which are very different and unique. One is the kind of freedom that this organization provides people to do whatever they think is best for their task, for their activity, for the project, for their responsibilities. So it's an immense amount of freedom comes only when the organization trusts its employees. Okay, and thinks that the employees perhaps know how well to do their jobs themselves. So give them a target, give them what they need to do, and then let them flourish and let them flower and let them achieve in whichever way they want to do. So coming from that is also another facet of saying that you are allowed to make mistakes, and when you are allowed to make mistakes, what is required, or what is by allowing to make mistakes, what the company is hoping to achieve is that people will learn from the experience, and together that knowledge base in the organization will improve. The other thing which makes this unique is our belief that we must manage this organization in a Indian manner. Okay, there are various ways of Indianness that we have picked up. We have used this in business, and when I say business, it means how we sell at the stores. Also, we have picked it up and we have implemented in the various facets of the people office function. So I believe that when employees are in an environment which is closer to their heart, to their culture in terms of Indianness, then they are that much less conscious, more free, feel a little more bonded with the organization to achieve what they set out to do. So these are, I think, some of the things which make us unique. Our entire training and development content, the way we do trainings, we have not copy pasted anything from what are called as standardized models. Yeah? We have developed our own models based on our own experience, and we have pitched it at a level which will be understandable to the people to whom it's targeted towards. So all of this comes with an inherent belief that we can do it ourselves, and I think that's the key guiding statement, saying that have enough self-confidence to build business models which are your own, and which are relevant to you.